So raise your hand if you're an entrepreneur and you're incredibly frustrated, right? So much to do, endless lists, reaching out, struggling with income, or maybe you're not struggling with income, but you're struggling with the fact that you have zero time on your calendar to go out and do the things that you love. This is what we were struggling with. And so the 60-minute freedom framework was born of that. It breaks down four key elements of your business. Inspiration, because who doesn't need inspiration and who doesn't find that they love their job more when they're inspired? Income, which, okay, that's what we all need to do and love and have the things that we want. Conversion, we want to make sure that our messages are converting. And infrastructure, we want to make sure that we have a solid infrastructure so that we can run the business from anywhere in the world. So, what that means is by breaking those things down and really understanding them, you cut out about 40% of the busy work, which gives you back your time and all the freedom that you might want to be able to get out there and travel like I do, or spend more time with your family, or go and never miss a recital from your child again. We're having a free workshop and I'd love to invite you. Look down below for the link and you will be able to come and change your life as you know it as an entrepreneur. See you then.